Hey y'all, hey, I am back. I went out tonight to see one of my sorors, and now I am back ready for bed. It is way past my bedtime. It is 11 o'clock. Like, my bedtime is usually 9. That noise you hear in the background is my washing machine. But yeah, I'm just getting back in, so I'm getting ready to take my makeup off and wash my face. So I wanted to show you all my routine from when I do that. So this is just going to be a get unready video. So while you're here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at Aesthetically April. So now I'm just going to section my hair off. Now usually I just put my hair up in one ponytail holder, one pineapple, but now I'm going to put it into 2. I'm just going to wrap it one time. Then I'm going to wrap my scarf. So one of my sorors came down to North Carolina from Florida. So I wanted to see my girl. I miss her so much. And this was the first time I went out the house, because she knows usually I'm in bed by 9 o'clock, no later than 10. So that was the exception for tonight. So I think I had this makeup on. I did my face early this morning at like 10 something, 11 o'clock. So it is long overdue. Do you think it's oily? Before I went out, I put some of my MAC Studio Fix powder on to reduce the shine, but I think it still looks good for it to be on for so long. But as you can see, my mascara, I've been yawning. My mascara is bleeding. I used this wipe earlier and it's still damp. But it's not damp enough. So I'm just gonna try to use it so I don't feel like I wasted it. So I don't feel like I wasted a wipe. Ooh, my lash fell off. Ooh, the thing was itching. Okay, I gotta get a wet one. So, I think I showed you all these earlier. These are the wipes I use, my makeup wipes, the Equate Beauty. So yes, these are the Equate Beauty Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. You can find these at Walmart and you get 40 pre-moistened towelettes. And they smell so good. Like, they come in different scents. Like, they come in aloe. I've seen like a whole bunch of different scents. I didn't even know they had them until I was at Walmart one day just walking around. But you usually can get everything off pretty much with just one wipe. So I'm struggling getting this lash off. There it goes. So I just used this wipe first to remove all of the makeup, the dirt. Whew. I got to make sure I drink plenty of water this week, because I feel like when I wear makeup, it clogs my pores. So I like to drink plenty of water to prevent that from happening. So now I'm going to go wash my face, and then I will be back to prep it for bedtime. So I'm fresh out the shower. My face is washed and I'm looking back to normal. So I decided to come back to show you all what I use to tone. So now that my face is washed, I'm going to be using my Thayer's Witch Hazel. And this is in the Rose Petal Fragrance. So I'm just going to wet the cotton round. So next I'm going to go in with the Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist to refresh my face. Ooh. And that's by Shea Moisture. I think some of the stuff in their products makes me sneeze. At night I use this moisturizing jelly cream. This was something that they sent in one of my Shea Moisture boxes. So I'm trying to use this up. So I go over the toning, what is this? I go over the toner and hydrating mist spray with the green coconut and activated charcoal moisturizing jelly cream with white tea. And then lastly, for my lips, I'm going to go in with my Jack Black Lip Balm. And this is the Shea Butter and Vitamin E. And I love this stuff. Love, love, love. So I did exfoliate my lips yesterday when I took my lipstick off. So they should be okay for another day. But I really wish I had enough time, but I don't. So I'm just going to put that over my lips. And it feels so good. And there you have it, that's all that I do. I'll have to do another video to show you all what I do as far as my lip exfoliating routine. But for now, like I said, I did it yesterday, so it's really no need to do it again today because I did not wear lipstick. Today I wore gloss, which wasn't drying on my lips. So that is all that I do. My face is clean, it feels nice, squeaky clean, and it feels moisturized. And I can feel that it is sealed in. And that's all that I do. Now it's time to go night-night. I am so tired because I got to get up early in the morning and sit in my cubicle. But thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go so you can be a part of the Glamily. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram at AestheticallyApril. So until next time, peace and blessings. Bye.